You see the question. The letters of the word incomprehensibilities are arranged alphabetically. The letters of the word in reverse order. How many positions of the letter or letters will remain unchanged? So let us see that what is that word? Incomprehensibility. In C-O-M-P-R-E. Sincomprehensibilities. Right. Writing reverse order. A cannot be seen in the word. Don't write it. Let us see the B. B it is here like B. C. So B is already taken now. Now C is already now taken now. C. And say D. D cannot be seen. E. Yes. E. 1. Here 2. And 3. There are 3 E's are there. E. 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 F. No. G cannot be seen. G. H. There is one H is there. H. I. I can see there is one I, and here there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I's are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. L, here one L is there. L. M, I can see one M here. N. 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 O. O, we can take only one O. Like P. P, you can see R. R, there is one R. S. Yeah, here's one S is there. Here is also one S. You can take 2 S are there. Anything is left out, we have to see. T. So now T you can take. Now, how many letters remain unchanged? There is a change here. I. This is unchanged. Okay. This is 1. There are 2. Answer is 2 letters. 5. See the question number 55. In an examination, the maximum marks for each of the 4 papers, each of the 4 papers P, Q, R are 100. Marks scored by the students are in the integers. A student can score 99% in n different ways. What is the value of n? N different ways. What is the value of n? So here is what number of combinations. Again, this is a time consuming process. Again, it's a time consuming process. It is the only thing is we can learn the pattern, but this is not advisable to any aspirant to trying to solve this question. Definitely not. I recommend not to do that. Let's see that. Already we checked in one question here, and now it's another question. Now you can see that. See, now options also see 16 ways, 17 ways, 23 ways, 35, 16 times you need to write to check, or 17 times you need to write. 23 combinations may be possible, 35 combinations may be possible. I do not know, say if it is a 4, 5, 6, okay, well, more than 6 I think it is not advisable to do anything here. And what the only thing is, what is the content in the question? Let's see. Here n value of n different ways. N is the number of combinations. How many combinations or options are there? In an exam, there are maximum marks for each of the 4 papers, namely PQRS, paper names, marks scored by each student are integers. A student can score 99% in n different ways. It means there are 4 papers. Number of papers are what? Number of papers are 4. Okay. Maximum marks is what? Maximum marks are 100 marks. 100 marks. Like 100 marks into 4 papers. Right. And a student can score 99%. 99% or into 4, like 396 marks can be scored, total scores. There are 4 papers, paper A, B, C, paper P, Q, R, S, like P plus Q plus R plus S. So this is the papers. And see now total you can see 396. How 396 is possible? Here you can take 100 marks, 100 marks, 300, this may be 96. Again if you take this 100, here 100, 200, 200 again 192 means this may be 100 and this can be the 96. You should keep on writing like this. On how many combinations are possible? Minimum combinations are 16 is there. So better you do on your own. If I start doing it, it consumes a lot of time. In fact, if you don't get it, leave your comment in the comment box. I will try and solve you in the next video, that is, if possible, if the demand arises. But I'll try to finish the maximum number of questions in this video now. Yeah, fine. See the question number 57. A rectangular floor measures 4 meters in length and 2.2 meters in breadth. Rectangular. Right. Measures 4 meters in length. This is length. 4 meters in length and 2.2 meters in width. Tiles of size 140 centimeter by 60 centimeter. Tiles size 140 centimeter into 6 centimeter have to be laid such that the tiles do not overlap. A tile can be placed in any orientation so long as its edges are parallel to the edges of the floor. What is the maximum number of tiles? Maximum time that can be accommodated on the floor. This is the question, I think. So, fine. Now let us see that this is the centimeters. This is the meters are given. First, meters can be converted into the centimeters. What is the formula of rectangular size? Length into breadth. Like 4 into 100. 4 into 100 into 2.2 into 100. 100 by centimeters, 140 into 60. Now let me write properly. 4 into 100 is what? 400 into 2.2 into 100 means you can see 2.2 into 100 is 2200. One decimal is goes up and 220 by 140 into 60. Right, this 600 gets cancelled here and this 0 gets cancelled, and see this is 140. Okay, right now what is this is 2 7s, 2 11s are here, and see now here 2 3s and 2 20s you can see here, and I think this both are prime numbers. 20 into 11, 220 by and 21, the maximum 10 times 210, 11 times is not possible, 10 plus you can see that is, but maximum tiles can be played 10 plus, but actually see the highest option is what? 9. So this is the right answer. Right, see the question number 59. There are large number of silver coins. Silver coins weighing 2 gram, 5 gram, 10 gram, 25 gram, 50 gram each. Consider the following statements. There are 5 types of silver coins weighing each 2 gram, 5 gram, 10 gram, 2, 5, 10, 25 gram, 50 gram. These are the number of coins. 5 types of coins are there, each weighing different weightage. Now see, to buy 78 gram to buy 78 gram coins, one must be at least 7 coin, at least the minimum. It can be more also, it can be more 8 also, it can be 9, but that weight should be 78 gram. This is it. 78 gram, how do we arrive to 75 grams? See here, this is the 5, multiples of 5 are only 5, 15, 20, 25, 35, it will only come. And 10, again multiples of 10 is 10, 20, 100, 25, 25, 50, 75, 50, right? But 8 will not come there. 8 is possibly only with the help of this. The how many, for example, 8 gram in the sense, again if you take 2 into 4, 2 gram into 4 coins you can take. So this is 8 gram. Total weight is what? 8 gram. Number of coins is 4. Each one is 2 gram. 8 gram is there. And 78 gram. 78 minus 8 is 70. 70 you can take 150, it tends to like 20 gram. Now 50 gram. Now see 78 gram. Now I think this is one is very correct. Okay, right. And second statement, to weigh 78 grams using these coins, one can use less than 7. Less than 7 is possible? No, it is not at all possible. Only one correct. Actually, statement 3, 4, 5 is there. 2 is not there. I'll write here. Statement 1. Is neither smaller than nor equal to. Nor equal to. I'll put one second one. A minus B means A minus B. A is not smaller than. A is not smaller than B. Okay, right. Now what is the question now here? Conclusion 1, conclusion 2. Q plus minus T. S plus Q. S plus Q. Right. Anyway, we will try to solve the question now here. Yes, there is something missing from it. I feel sorry for it. Right. Now, what's the question? Now, this is the question. Right. This is the statement. This is the statement is there. Conclusion 2. Statement is what? P into Q. Statement is what? P into Q. P minus T. T division or minus S. Yeah, now see that P into Q, here you can see that A plus B means A is neither smaller than nor equal to. Here what you can say here, plus means neither smaller than nor equal to. It means you can say plus means greater than. Minus means not smaller than. Not smaller than means either lesser than or equal to. Into means not smaller than B. Into not smaller than means greater than or equal to. Division means neither greater than nor equal to. It means less than. Like plus minus means A is neither smaller nor greater than. Neither smaller than nor greater than. That is equals to. Okay, now let us try to solve this question. P into Q. P into Q. You can see into says what? Greater than or equal to. P greater than or equal to Q. Right. And next to P minus T. Minus is what? Minus less than or equal to. P less than or equal to T. P less than or equal to T. P less than or equal to T. Right. And division. Division says lesser than. T lesser than R. T is already is there. Lesser than R. And plus minus is equals to. Or equals to yes. So now this is the thing. Yeah. Now this can be shifted to this place. P is here. Q is there. Greater than means lesser than or equal to. Q is lesser than or equal to P. Which of the following is correct in respect of the above statement and conclusions? Conclusion, only conclusion 1 follows from the statement. Only conclusions where we written conclusion 1 here. Q plus or minus 2T. Q plus or minus 2 refers what? Equals. Q equals to T. Here you can say Q plus minus T means, in other words, you can take Q equals T. S plus Q. S plus Q plus says what? Greater than. S is greater than Q. Now we have to check that. Q equals to T. Q equals to T. Q is here, T is here. Definitely it is not possible. Okay? It's wrong. This is wrong. S plus S greater than R. S is here. S can be shifted to this. S greater than T, greater than P. S is S greater than R. S is equal to R, you can say. So this is also not correct. Fine. Then options are what? Both are incorrect. Neither conclusion 1 nor conclusion 2. This is correct. Yeah, see the question here. What is the middle term of the sequence Z, Z, Y, 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 X, 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 W, 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 W. Right. It is in the reverse order. Let us see try to understand the question properly. What is the middle term? This is the middle term of sequence. Sequence, middle term of the sequence we need to know here. Now let's start it from the reverse order. Like Z, Z, Y, 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 X 4-5 times, and T, U, V, V 6 times, and U 7, T S 9 times you can write. 9 times, and it goes on. So you write 8 27 times. Which of that letter is a middle term? So and so on. And so on you can write. So A can be written as 27. Since Z is the first letter, is written twice. Y is the second letter, written thrice. X is the third letter, it is written 4 times. And A can be written, A is a 26 letter from in the reverse order, it can be written 27 times. And it will be like that. 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus like that you can take. And 27 it ends here. Right. And what is a 2 plus first letter from the beginning and first letter from the first number from the last? You will get is what? 29. 29. 29 by 2 you get an average. You get average. So 29 by 2 into how many letters in the sequence? There are 26. There are 26. If you simplify it, this is 13. 13 into 29. 13 into 13 into 9 is 117. 13 into 26. 26, 27, 37. There will be totally 377 letters in the sequence. What is the middle letter we want to know? 377 minus 1 middle letter. We will have 376 letters. That 376 can be divisible by 2. We will have 188 letters on each side. Letters on each side. On each side. See, this is from the left 188, from the right is 188 letters. But from the left is in a reverse order. It takes a lot of time to arrive to the answer. The letters H, I, J, M. And these are the options you have to see. H, I, J, M. Let us say the first H. That A can be written 27 times. Up to H we have to take this is A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G plus A is the 27 letters here, and B can be written as 26 letters, C is the 25, and this is written 24, and this is written 23 times, this is 22 times and 21 times, and put plus 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 and see that now. 7 plus 6, 13, 18, 22, 25, 27, 28. See that 28? 2 carry. 2 carry. 2 plus 4, 2, 4, 6. 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10, 12, 14 to 16. 16 is happening. See that. There are how many 2s are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 into 2, 16. Let us check the right. Now we can see total. Okay. Right. 7 plus 6, 13, 13, 18, 22, 25, 27, 28. Yes, 28. 2 is written. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 into 2, 18. See that 118 is the H. Up to H you can take. Then up to H is included in this, and the next letter will be what? I. So this is the answer. See the question number 66. Is P greater than Q? Is P greater than Q? Is P greater than Q? Is the question mark. P greater than Q on the head. So P is, whether the P is greater than Q or not. Statement 1, 2. Statement 1 says that P into Q. P into Q is greater than 0. P into Q is greater than 0. And statement 2 says that P square is greater than Q square. P square is greater than Q square. See that. The question can be answered by using one of these statements alone. Right, fine. Which one of the following is correct in respect of the above questions? The statement, right. Question is what? This is P greater than Q? We need to write to know P greater than Q. P into Q. Fine. Greater than 0. Greater than 0 means whether P is greater than Q or Q is greater than P is not known to us. Maybe P is greater than Q and Q is greater than P, and both numbers are also same also. So this is not correct. And P square greater than Q square, again is the same thing. P greater than Q, P square greater than Q square. What is the value of P? But at least one variable is essentially to be given, so it is not given. So neither statements are correct. The question cannot be answered by using both the statements. So this is option right, D. Yeah, fine. Let us see that this question. Consider a 3-digit number. Consider a 3-digit number. 3-digit number can be X, Y, Z. Right. Question: what is the number? What is that number? We need to know what is that number. Statement 1 says the sum of the digits. The sum of the digits of the number is equal to the product of the digits. That is very important. The sum of the digits of the numbers is equal to the product of the digits. So only one such number is, for example, a 3-digit number you can say 100. The smallest 3-digit number is 100. Sum of the digits 1 plus 0 plus 0 equals to what? 1. A product of the digits. If you say the product of the digits, product is what? 1 into 0 is what? 0 this is. Definitely this doesn't suit at all. Now let us take that like 101. You can sum of the digits is was 1 plus 0 plus 1, so that is 2, and product of the digits is what? 1 into 1, 1. Even this doesn't also suit here. Now only the number we can take here 1, 2, 3. Only this number is possible. Like 1 plus 2 plus 3 is what? 6, and equal to product of the digits. Product of the digits. See here, sum of the digits is equal to product of the digits. I will write in detail here. Space is not sufficient enough. Sum of the, I'll take this 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, or 2, 3, 1, okay, or 3, 1, 2. Any these 3 numbers can be taken here, and find like sum of the digits. Sum of the digits is equal to the product of the digits. Product of digits should match. This is the condition. Sum of the digits is what? 1 plus 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3 plus 1, or 3 plus 1 plus 2. Any number you can take. But see that 1 plus 2 plus 3 is what? 6. 6. This is a 6. 6 is product of the 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 3, 6. Again this suits also. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, or 3, 1, 2. Anyone is possible there. Now the statement, the number is divisible by the sum of the digits of the number. The number is divisible by the number. The number is divisible by the sum of the digits. What is the number? Let us take 1, 2. Numbers are like 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. So these are the numbers, and you can say the number is divisible by the sum of the digits. Sum of the digits. What is the sum of the digits? 6. If 6 is possible, for which number is possible? We have to see that. Right. Which number is possible? 1, 2, 3 by 6. Yes, this is not see 4 to 6. Yes, this will qualify according to the rule. This is not possible, and here it is not possible. 3, 1, 2. Even this is also, yeah, this is also possible, and this is not possible. Okay, there are 2 such numbers. 1, 3, 2 by 6. Yes, and here 3, 1, 2 divisible by 6. Right. Now you can see which of the following is correct in respect of the above questions and the statements. The sum of the digits, 3 digits, the sum of the digits is equal to the product of the digits. Okay, like 1 into 3, 3, 3 into 2, 6. Sum of the digits 4, 6, and this is all 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 6. This also will qualify. Right. Statement 1, yes. Statement 1, definitely yes. Let us see the statement 2. The number is divisible by the sum of the digits. Sum of the digits. Yes, this will qualify. This will qualify. Which one of the following is correct in respect of the above questions? It means both statements are correct. The question can be answered by using both the statements together, but cannot be answered using either statement. You can see that both statements are required. Option C. Option you can take C. That is right. For 5 children with ages A less than B less than C less than D less than E, any 2 successive ages differ by 2 years. This So now you can see here there are 5 children. A less than B, less than C, less than D, less than E. Okay. So these are the sequence and differ by 2 years. Right, 2 years. Like now we can see statement 1. What is the age of the youngest child? Question is what? What is the age of the youngest child? Youngest, like who is the youngest? A is lesser than, B lesser than or smaller than or younger than. A is younger than B, younger than C, younger than D. So it means A is younger than for all. A is younger than B, C, D and E. So this is the thing. So what is the age of A? Let's see that. Because differ each by 2 years. Statement, the age of the eldest child is the age of the eldest child 3 times the youngest. Eldest child is how much? We don't know. So or you can say like that youngest child. Let us say this can be X something. Let us say X value. This is A is not known, X. This is X plus 2, like that. It goes on. X plus 4 less than X plus 6. And this is X plus 8. Okay. Now we can see, notice the child of the A we don't decide it. How many X's values are there? There are 5X. 5X plus 2 plus 4, 6, 12 plus 80. X equals to 20 by 5. So X value is 4. So let us say X value is 4. This is 6, this is 8, this is 10, this is 12. Definitely you will get that. So he says that is the eldest child 12 years 3 times the youngest. 3 times the youngest. Definitely statement 1 alone gives the thing. Yeah, this is right. Statement 1 alone is sufficient to answer the question. Statement 2, the average age of the child is 8 years. Average age. Average, there are 5 children. 5 into average 8, total is 40 years. Total is 40 years. What is average? So if you see average means always you have to see the middle term. Like 40 by 8, you can take average means A plus B plus C plus D plus E. Average. Average is equals to middle term. Average is equal to middle term. What is the middle term here? This is 8. This is 10. This is 12 years. This is 6. This is 4. Yeah, this is suffice. And even statement 2 also will qualify as per the rule. I think both statements are sufficient enough individually. But statement 1 alone is sufficient or statement 2 alone is sufficient. The question can be answered by using both the statements together. No, it's not correct. This is not. 2 statements are not required. I think answer D is also not correct. The question can be answered by using one of the statement alone, but cannot be answered using the other statement. This is right. The question can be answered by using the either statement. This is also not. Either statement. So that is the either statement. Either 1 or 2. Option B. Now, see the question number 74. A principal P becomes Q in 1 year when compounded off yearly with R% annual rate of interest. If the same principal P becomes Q in 1 year when compounded annually with S% annual rate of interest, then which one of the following is correct? Now, so what is set in the question? A principal P, here he says that principal refers to P. In 1 year when compounded off yearly with R%. Compounded off yearly is a compounded off yearly is R%. Right. the same principle becomes Q 1 year when compounded annually is S%. Right. This is the thing. Compounded annual principal amount is same, both the cases. Compounded half yearly R%, annually is S%. So you have to see the relation, which is more. Right. Let us take one. Let the principal be 100. Let P is equals to 100 rupees. And rate of interest, compound interest is say 10%. 10%. Okay, fine. And compound half yearly, what is the formula for this? P into 1 plus rate by 100 to the power of n. This is the thing. If you take 10%, P of like 1 plus R by 100, 1 plus R by 100 to the power of n equals 1 plus half yearly R by 2, 100, 2 terms, 1 year. So it will becomes what? Like 100 rate of interest is what? 10%, 10 by 2, 5%. 100 principal into P, this is P into 105 by 100 into 105 by 100. You will get what? So 0, 1, 2 gets cancelled here. This is 21 by 2, 21 by 2. This is 441 by 4. Will get 110 rupees 25 paisa. Right. This is in the first case. And second, annual interest rate. So annual interest P into 1 plus R by 100 in the sense P into 1 plus 10% 1 year. So now we can see P is 100 into 110 by 100 gets cancelled, you will get 110 rupees. So now which is more? In the first statement, R%, this is the first one you can say that is half yearly R%. Half yearly R%. Half yearly is R% and yearly S%. Which is interest more? Half yearly interest is more. Hence, relation is R greater than S. R greater than S. Right. See now, how many natural numbers are there which give a remainder of 31? Remainder of 31 when 186 is divisible by natural numbers. I think see that what is the number here? 1186. What the remainder should be? 31. So you subtract 31 here and we arrive to net 1155. That should be divisible by how many natural numbers? There are 6, 7, 8 and 9 is there. Let us see that. 1155, we have to go to the prime factorization. Let us start with prime factor. 2 I think is not possible. Let us say with the 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24, 3 5s are right. Now I think we can try with 5. 5 7s are 35. 5 is 35, 5 is right. Again if you try to 7 into 11 over. So these are the prime factors 3, 5, 7 and 11. Now you can see that. What are the prime factors? There are 4 prime factors for this number. So now you can start with 3, 5, 7 and 11. Now you can see 3 into 5. 3 into 5 and 3 into 7, 3 into 11. Okay. And we start with the 2 numbers I have done. Now try with 3 numbers. 3 into 5 into 7, 3 into 5 into 7, 3 into 5 into 11 or 3 into 7 into 11. Right. So these are the options. Now let's try with the 5. 5 into 3 is done already. 5 into 7, 5 into 7 and 5 into 11. Try 3 numbers, 5 into 7 into 11, 5 into 7 into 11. Now you try with 7, you can 11 and 7 into 11. 7 into 5 is done, 7 into 3 is also done, 7 into 11, 7, 11, 3, 7, 11, 5 is there, 7, 11, 3 is already there. Next, all the 4 numbers, 3, 5, 7 and 11. See, this is. But these are the options you can see. And see, the remainder should be 31, but what are the values here? 15, 21, 33, 15, 105, and this is 55, 165, and here see 21, 77 into 3, 70 into 3, 210, 3 into 7, 21, 21 into 11, 231. This is 231. This is straight away same number, 1155. Okay, here it is 35, this is 55, and this is 35 into 11, 35 into 11, 55, 33, 38, 385. This is 77. This is done. See how many numbers are there, but the remainder should be 31. The numbers should be more than 31. I think this is out. This is out. Yeah, this you can qualify. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 is the right one. Let PP, QQ and RR be 2-digit numbers where P less than Q less than R. See, P less than Q less than R. If PP plus QQ plus RR is equals to TTO, where TTO is a 3-digit number ending with 0, consider the following statements. Now, alright, fine. Let's say that P, Q, R, T, G, right. And now we can see the number of possible values of 5. Let us check with 5. Possible values of P is 5. Let us take P can be 5. Then what would happen? Here and here, this is the thing. P less than Q less than R. P less than Q. Let us take 6. Let us take this can be 9. 11 plus 9, 2, 20. So this 5 can be treated as 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 9, 13 plus 9. We have taken R is a 9. 22. 2 is T. This anywhere 0 is there. Fine. If you see like that, another pattern. Statement 1, yes, right. Statement 2, let us take PP, QQ, R. This is T, O. Right. Now let us say the Q is 6. Values of Q is 6. Let us take Q6. This is also 6. This is also 6. Statements of P less than Q. Let us take 5 only. Okay. And Q is less than R. Less than R. Let us say again 5 plus 6, 11. R can be 9 again. 11, 9, 22. This can be 7, 13. 13 plus 9, 22. Yes, this is also fine. So both 1 and 2 are correct. Both 1 and 2 is correct. What is the sum of all 4-digit numbers less than 2000? 4-digit numbers. 4-digit numbers. 4-digit numbers less than 2000. This is the state. Found by digits 1, 2, 3 and 4. Digits are 1, 2, 3, 4. And none of the digits is repeated. Fine. We are supposed to write only one time. 4-digit number less than 2000. Now you can see this is the thousands place, hundreds place, tens place, units place. It says less than 2000. Less than 2000, how many digits you can write? Only one. If you write 2 here, this is more than 2000. Less than 2000 says only one is possible here, right? And this is another thing is possible here. And 1, 2, 3, 4 can be written as 4, 3. Now let us take and let us take 3 here. 3, 2, 4 and 3, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 3, 2. This is possible. Put up the total. 7, 11, 13, 16, 18, 4, 2, 6, 10, 12, 16, 19, 1 plus 4, 5, 9, 12, 15, 17, 2, 19, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7,998. Option A is correct one. Now, what is the number of selections of 10 consecutive things out of 12 things in a circle taken in the clockwise? Taken in the clockwise, like 12 things, 1, 2, like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Clockwise. Consecutive things. Out of 12, there are 12. 10 taken out in the clockwise direction. Right. N value is what? 12 terms. Rate is asking was 10 terms. 10 terms. But this is the, because here N is greater than R. N is greater than R in circle. In a circle. When it is like that in a circle, N is greater than value, N itself is the value, N12, this is the answer. So, N value is there, definitely C is the, right, C is the answer. If today is Sunday, then which day is exactly on 10 to the power of 10th day? 10 to the power of 10th day, 10 to the power of 10. What will happen? See now, 10 to the power of 1, you write 1 0. 10 to the power of 2 is 2 zeros you write. 10 to the power of 3, 3 zeros will come. 10 to the power of 4, you write 4 zeros and so on. 10 to the power of 10 can be written how many zeros? 1 and 10 zeros. 1 and 10 zeros. 10 zeros. Let us take 1, 10 zeros. Right. Now, how many weeks? It said that you have to count the odd days. Odd days is what? Divisible by number of weeks. 7 1 7, 3 0. Then 7 4s are 28, 2, and this is done. This is done. Now this is done. 2, 14, 6. 4 and 4 0. 7 5s are 35, 5. 7 7s are 49, 1 0, and 7 1s are 7, 3. Take this is over, and 7 4s are 28, 2. 28. See how many zeros are taken here? 7 2s are 14, 14, 6th. The last 0. 7 8s are 56. There are 4 odd days are there. This is 4 odd days. 4 odd days concept is what? Odd days concept, 4 odd days. Like Sunday is there. Today is Sunday. Sunday, after Sunday, 1 2 3 4. 4 odd days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Thursday is the answer. This is the one method. So another method, it can be simplified. See like that. Remainder rule. 10 to the power of 10. 10 to the power of 10 can be written as 10 to the power of 10 by 7. It means 10 by 7 is what? 10 minus 7 is 3. So 3 to the power of 10. 3 to the power of can be written as 3 as like a square. 3 square to the power of 5. So 3 square by 7. 3 square means 9. 9 to the power of 5. 9 to the power of by 7. Again 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 2 to the power of is 32. Then 32 by 7. 7 4 is 28. That remainder is 4. That is 4 odd days. 4 odd days. Answer is yes. Fine. Question number 80. There are 3 traffic signals. Each signal changes from color, from green to red, and then from red to green. The first signal takes 25 seconds. The second takes 39 seconds, and the third signal takes 60 seconds to change the color from green to red. The duration of the green and red colors are same. At 2 p.m. they together turn green. At what time will they change to green next simultaneously? Right. Let us take the LCM. What is the LCM of signal 1, signal 2, signal 3? Signal 1 changes from 25 seconds. So now LCM of 3, 25, 39, 60. Right, fine. Okay. Now you can see 5 into 3 into 5 into 13 into 4. 5 into 3, 15, 75, 300. 300 into 3900 is the LCM. Right. Now this is it. Now information, what information is provided here for 3 like information for change of color to 25. The second signal and third signal takes 60 seconds to change the color from green to red. From green to red. Green to red. Red. And green to red. The duration for green and red colors are same. At green, again the duration of green and red colors are same. At 2 p.m. they together turn green. Green again. Green, red, green. See that. So green to red. See here, green to red, one cycle. Another duration, red to green. So green to red all together is what? 3900 seconds. Again from red to green plus 3900 seconds. Total put together 7800 seconds. Right. The starting point time is 2 p.m. Let's see that. Here 2 p.m. Right. This is the hours. This is the minutes. This is the seconds. Now we can convert into hours. 7800 seconds by 60 minutes into 60 seconds. 0 gets cancelled. 13. Okay. Now 13 by 6 hours. 13 by 6 hours means 2 hours, 2 1 by 6 hours. 2 1 by 6 hours. Then 2 hours plus 1 by 6 hours. 1 by 6 hours. So 1 by 6 into 60, that is 10 minutes. It means 2 hours 10 minutes. Therefore 2 hours plus 10 minutes. So 2 hours 10 minutes. 2 hours minutes. Now 410. 410 is the answer. Fine. Fine. In the part 2, the whole paper is completed, especially aptitude level. I will try to solve the passages in the next episode. Now, if you have any queries, grievances, inquiries, you may put your comments in the comment box. I will try to address your queries and try to grievances your thing. Good luck. All the best.